Good morning, welcome to today's video. We are going to the Splash in the Pines. So it is Saturday, August 13th. School starts on Tuesday, and our city is doing a event called Splash in the Pines, and it's actually being put on by a friend of mine who works for the city. And the best thing is it's literally around the corner from our house. It's like a half a mile away. So usually the city events are probably like 10 or 15 miles down, but today it's all the way out west, which is where we live. So really excited to go to this event. Okay, and I just got the best parking space. Like, this never happens. Ryder, what do you think of this? It looks awesome? Oh wow, where do you want to go first? You want to go over here? Okay, let's go. So cute. I just got next to the dunk park. But they have the slip and slide. They've got some water things over here.
We're gonna see here. Everybody make a line.
They're gonna do a line. We're gonna do a competition.
Get in line. Parents can also push.
Oh, I can push
for the
you.
Little ones, okay?
I can push you.
So when you guys are at the front of the line, you can come over here and you can run and try to go as far as you can.
I didn't get to get it on film because he didn't want to run. He wanted me to push him. So he didn't really go very far. So he has decided to go and spray for the fire department. I mean, and all the kids ran over. Seriously, like, this is probably the most popular place right now, just getting sprayed by the fire department. Okay, I totally lost my kid. Oh, there he is. So I convinced Ryder to leave the fire hose to come over to the slides before a lot more people get here. Ryder, look at these slides, how cool. So they have a little one, and then they've got like 3 bigger ones. One is like an obstacle course. So Ryder's climbing up now. And look how lovely this water is. And there he comes. Whoa! Whoa, that was awesome, Ryder, you went so fast. So it's 10:34, and the event started at 10. So the lines aren't too bad at the slides, which is good. And this thing is fast. Oh, man. So I asked him if he wanted to do anything else, and he said no, he just wants to do this one. So there's 3 other ones, or 2 other ones. He doesn't want to do them, he just loves this one. There he is. He flew that time. So it's 10:45 now. We've been doing this for a little over 10 minutes, and the line has definitely picked up. So he finally left that slide, but of course he didn't tell me. So I don't know where he's going now. So I guess he's gonna go into the obstacle course other slide. So this one is a slide, and then it turns into an obstacle. There he goes. There he is. And then it turns into an obstacle course. And it's really tight. Ryder, how was that? Awesome. So Ryder wants to do the dunk tank. That's what we're doing.
You got this. You got this, man. Here you go. Almost. Almost. Oh. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it with your hand. Hit it with your hand.
Hit it with your hand. Hit it with your hand.
I love the Mickey Mouse shirt. Awesome.
So we also have some freebies over here. So we're gonna look at some of the vendors. So not sure what vendor this is, but we got some chips. You want some chips, Ryder? Got party time. I think they had some stuff, but they're gone. And then we have the goldfish swim school, and you got a little goldfish. So I got that. So it's so hot, the black balloons keep popping. So we did a few other things around, but we're back at the dolphin slide. He loves it. Look who's here!
I have Minecraft now.
What? That's awesome. You high five.
So Ryder just saw the fire truck is back, and he is going back. All the kids are. So Ryder was so upset that I made him leave the fire truck last time to go on the slides So the fact that they started, again, he's very happy. It's amazing how just spraying water on kids makes them happy. And that's Francie. She's the one that does all the special events for Pembroke Pines. We are friends. And her daughter is Miss Hooters International. So I just have to say I admire all the parents that are out there with their kids. I am in the shade. So Francie went, and she, as you can see, she went into all the people, the volunteers are all going in the water as well. So it is 12:12 and Ryder's having a ball. He ran into a friend of his that he's known for since preschool, and they have been having a great time, and now I'm following him over. His friend's taking a break, so Ryder's going, I have no idea where. And he's just walking around. He doesn't want to go anywhere. Now he has swimming class at 1 o'clock, but I don't know if we're gonna make it. They also had some food vendors. There's some pizza here. Ice cream, which is very popular because it's just so hot. Some sandwichery and pollo tropical. Ryder's in the kid hot tub. Hey Ryder, is that nice? So the boys are having the fun in the little pool here. They're also doing the slip and slide, but it is 12:35, so it's almost over. So Ryder has decided that we are going to close this place down because it is 12:40, and yeah, he hasn't stopped, and now we're going back to the slides. So now that it's the end of the event, there's like no line for the slides, so Ryder's just going up and down. He should sleep well today. There he goes. Now the hard part for me is trying to get Ryder to go. So he says he hasn't gotten to do this slide, so now we got to do this slide.
Good job, Ryder.
So Ryder, did you have a good time? What was the best part?
Yeah.
What was the best part? Look at, what was the best part? The slides?
Yeah, slide.
Okay, so we are back home. We actually left like at 12:52, ended at 1, and Ryder had a swimming class. Took him to swimming. I'm surprised he didn't, he was able to manage it, but he did great. What a great event. This was the first time they did it. It was scheduled to happen in 2020, and then obviously it didn't happen. And then last year it wasn't in the budget, but it got added back into the budget. I mean, what a great event. Just simple. The slides, I mean, Ryder went up and down that slide so much. We pretty much were there almost the entire 3 hours. We were there for probably 2 hours and 40 minutes. Ryder didn't stop. He didn't even stop to eat. Barely stopped to have some water. They had the food vendors, which were great. Ryder just didn't want to stop. He never wants to stop to eat when he's having a good time. So it was fantastic. It was a really great event. Shout out to the City of Pines for putting that on. I hope they continue to do it every year. Now, I was thinking like it would have been good to have more tents as far as like, you know, if you had a tent, like you had a personal tent to bring. However, I mentioned it to somebody and they said, well, we can't because if they don't secure it down and it's windy, it could blow away and injure somebody. I was like, oh, those are the things that, you know, I don't really think of. So, but if you did come, if you're watching this, for 2023 or in the future and you're thinking about going to something like this, then I would bring like an umbrella or something where, because there was some shade and there was able to find some shade, but some, you know, you had to kind of go away from where your kid was. But they did have some tents up, which was nice, that it was just really, really hot. But just make sure you wear sunscreen, it's just anywhere in Florida. But it was a great event. And thanks again to the City of Pines and Francie for doing a really great job on that event. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.